In this video, we are going to see how we can add celebrities to an existing picture. So this is the original picture where this uncle is sitting alone and the other chair is empty. Now I want Ronaldo to give him a company. So I just added the picture here and I just wrote here, let Ronaldo sit on the other chair. Let me just show you from scratch. Let's click on new chat and let's add or upload the image. So this is the image, guys, and you will find this with the resources section of this video. I can just write anything here. Let Ronaldo sit on the other chair. Just write simple commands. That's it. Hit enter. And look at this, guys. How awesome is this? This image looks perfect, and how easily it has blended the picture, the daytime, the color scheme, and everything else with just a simple command. That's the power of this tool. After that, you can just download this image, right click, save as image. And like we always do afterwards, let's compare the results. This was the original photo. The uncle is all alone and I want Ronaldo to give him a company. And that's it. This is how you can edit any picture and add any celebrity to it. Now let's make them talk to each other. Let's try that. And look at this, guys. The perfection of this image, how easily, how naturally it has recomposed the picture. And now these two people are talking. See how natural the side poses looks. Let's save this image and compare all of this picture just to see the character consistency. So this is the original picture that I got from Pixels. As you can see here, it is written here. This is with Ronaldo and then they are talking. Look at this. Look at the character consistency. Look at the side poses, how easily it can make them talk to each other. Let's try something else. And whenever you want to start a new chat here, just click on the new chat from the top left. Okay, let's try something else. And this time what we'll do is we will try to upload two separate photos and then mix them together. Okay, that's my photo. Let me just put it here. And this time let's try to merge both of these photos. Click open. And we will just try to use simple commands, whatever you like. We will not use complex commands to do the job. I just asked to merge both of these photos sitting together, of people sitting together, let's say. So this is my photo, this is uncle's photo. Let's merge them together. And look at this, guys. Now, although it put uncle aside on the left, but look at the results. Although the face is not picked up perfectly, let's redefine the image. You can redefine that as well. This time, let's start a new chat. Now, just remember that whenever you don't get your results, what you will do is you will put this image first, and let's put the uncle's image on second. And now it might adjust it on the other seat. Adjust the picture, or let's say merge the picture on the left. So I just wrote here, merge the picture on the left and let him sit on the other empty chair with uncle. Let's hit enter. Let's process this. And as you can see, it has perfectly placed myself on the other seat. But my eyes is not picked up perfectly. So let me just add a glasses with it. I just ask, make the yellow man wear glasses. Just remember that every time Nano Banana will get the perfect results, you obviously have to try a couple of times before you get your result. And this time it is perfect. So we can download this. We can download it from here as well, from the bottom. Just click on download and here is the result. Look at this. So this is how you can merge two pictures into one just by using a simple command. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.